Alright you guys, it's Annie here, and in today's video I am whispering because my little birds are sleeping, so I'm just gonna make a video out of that. So just gonna introduce you guys to them. This is Kiwi, she's a girl. That's Snowflake, she's a girl. And they look so adorable. I love it when budgies get like all poofed up and they just look so cute when they sleep or when they're like really comfortable. I mean, look at that, so cute. Hi Kiwi. Can you say hi? Well, no, she can't, but cute, cute. Snowflake is like really sleepy, so she's just, yeah. She's used to the camera, so she's just gonna close her eyes because she trusts me and she knows I won't pretty much touch her. Because if I touch her when she's sleeping, she pretty much bites me because she hates it when I touch her. Hi Kiwi. She doesn't like me. I can't. Who turned out the lights? Die. Yeah, she doesn't like it when I touch her. Da-da-da-da, someone turned off the lights. And you know what's weird? They actually locked me outside because... hard to explain. Okay, bye guys.